When most people watch a good programmer work, they notice the speed, the keys moving, the code appearing. They think that's the skill, the typing. But that's like watching a chess grandmaster moves a piece and thinking the skill is how they pick up the piece. The move was decided long before the hand moved. The game was read several steps ahead. The physical act was the last thing. Coding works the same way. When you see someone writes a solution quickly, they have already solved the problem. The typing is just transcription. They are exporting a finished thought, not discovering one. This is why typing speed doesn't make you a better programmer. This is why watching tutorials and coding along doesn't build problem solving ability. You are practicing the transcription part, not the thinking part. The thinking part is, what do I know about this problem? Where does it start? Where does it end? What changes? What stays the same? Can I explain the logic in plain English before I write a single line? If yes, write the code. If the answer is no, stop typing. You are not ready yet. When someone types code quickly, they look fluent. But what you have actually watching is a thought that was already complete being expressed. The thinking already happened silently before the hands moved. This is why pair programming is so effective. One person thinks out loud while the other codes. The result is better than either person coding alone because the thinking and the typing are separated. It's also why typing speed doesn't correlate with the programming skills. You can type 100 words per minute and still write terrible code if the thinking behind is still unclear. The shift is typing is the final act, not the main act. The main act is holding the problem in your head, breaking it down, and deciding the structure. That's where skills live. Next time you sit down to code, try this. Time yourself thinking versus typing. Most people spend 20% thinking and 80% typing, then fixing. Flip the ratio, you'll ship better code faster.